Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we've got a brand new launch to tell you guys about. It's the Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousse. There are 8 different shades in this collection, so let's dive in. It's a really cool product because it's something so different than a lot of products on the market right now. It's a weightless, buildable lip color and it actually is waterproof, which I think is awesome right now, especially for the summertime. Plus it's a high impact color with a velvety soft finish that feels like you're wearing nothing almost. It's such a unique formula. I can't even really explain how it feels, except that it's super lightweight. It again has that really pigmented high impact color and you're not gonna feel like you're wearing anything on your face. So that's awesome. There's a ton of shades ranging from like baby pinks to cashmeres to more bright shades, even more bold shades like this purple right here. You're just gonna get a lot of different colors to wear with any different makeup look, which I think is awesome. Plus these are budge proof and a buildable formula that lets you control how you wanna wear it. If you wanna wear it sheer, you don't have to apply too much, but if you want more of a full coverage look that's like super pigmented, you can just kind of layer on, and like I said, it's super buildable, so it's never gonna get like cakey or dry looking or anything like that. And it does leave your lips pretty soft and smooth feeling. One of my pet peeves is like when you get those dry patches on your lips, and you're not gonna get that with these, so it's awesome. Plus, there's 2 ways to apply it. So you can apply it with your fingers like I said, and it's nice and easy, or you can apply it using the little applicator that comes with the product. So I think that's really cool, versatile, and you could use it so many different ways. Plus it just leaves your lips looking like stained even when it does start to wear off. It still leaves you with like a really pretty color. So I've been really impressed with this new collection and this new product line that just came out because like I said, it's so unique to me. It's like very different than a lot of things that we're seeing out there right now. Tell us how you would rock the Urban Decay Lip Mousse in the comment section below. And now everything is coming up roses, from hair care to skincare to crystals. We've got it all. And we're gonna be telling you how these rosy treats will have you feeling garden glam. Is there anything more romantic and timeless than roses? I mean, these are all rose-inspired products that we had to mention to you guys because they're all amazing and they smell amazing too. So first off is the PIXI by PETRA Rose Tonic. This is amazing because it's actually a toner, so it tones your skin, it balances the pH levels of your skin, it minimizes redness, and it also calms your skin down. Roses in general work to calm the skin, plus I feel like it's just like such a luxurious experience when you're using rose scented products. Next up we have the FRECIPE Rose Jelly Balm Mask. This is a really nice mask because it firms your skin, it gives you long lasting moisture, so it's great to use before makeup because it will really make your foundations lay nicely on top of it. It also illuminates the skin's complexion, so it just gives you that glow, you know, that inner glow that we all want. And it is actually a soft, natural fiber mask that absorbs more essence than regular sheet masks do. So it's got some really good stuff in there. So next up we have the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Highlighter in Rose. I'm sure you guys have heard about the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Bricks if you love makeup, if you're a makeup lover, because these are infamous. They're such a beautiful, natural, radiant highlighter. And this shade is gorgeous because it has that almost like rose goldy shimmer to it. It is a brush on powder, so you could just sweep it onto the cheeks and give yourself that nice radiant glow. And it does just create a rosiness, you know? You could almost even use it as a blush topper because it does have this nice rosy color to it, and it just will give you such a beautiful glow. Then we have this product right here, which is one of my personal favorites. It's from Ouai, and it's the Rose Hair and Body Oil. This is a multitasking product, so you could use it to smooth flyaways, which I do a lot. I have a lot of breakage right now, so I use this to smooth it out, even to create like sleek hair looks, like if I'm wearing my hair in a sleek bun. This is great to give yourself that like sleek and chic kind of look, but you're also moisturizing your hair and giving your hair some nutrients as well. You can also use it on your body as like hydrating moisturizer, I should say. And it just really works to like keep your skin glowing, beautiful, plus it smells amazing. And this baby is so cool. This is the BRIOGEO Rose Quartz Crystal Energy Comb. So this is actually made from rose quartz, and if you are a crystal lover, you're gonna know exactly what rose quartz is good for. It's basically a symbol of loving energy, and it clears away any negativity and like gives you a positive mindset. So we're all about that. Plus it is a comb, so you can detangle your strands, increase scalp circulation, and just reaffirm your beauty goals. So it's a really pretty thing to just have on your vanity as well. And I've got some amazing news for you guys. Almost all of these rose products are available on IPSY Shopper, so you can shop these products using the link below. And we're also gonna be giving away some of these amazing products that we featured on the show today. So all you have to do is tell us down below in the comment section what was the favorite thing you've ever received in your IPSY glam bag. So thanks you guys so much for watching. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we'll see you next time on This Week in Beauty with IPSY.